Yo, my guys. How are you doing today? Another day, another video. So I'm here with the one of my guys. So maybe he can tell you guys like his name.
Yeah, I'm by the names of Handle Banks.
Okay.
That's my name.
So I'm going to ask you like one or two questions like this.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are to choose between like a tall lady and a short lady, which one do you go for as a girlfriend?
Actually, I choose tall lady
Why?
because me, I myself, I personally am tall, and I need someone that really can stand and let me say the prong pitch. It
Mm.
can face me, and I'll be able to kiss her like when we are face to face. No,
Okay.
no need of bending down. So